Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at the new text to vector feature just dropped in Adobe Illustrator 2024. This was mentioned at the Adobe Max conference yesterday, and it is a new feature for us to look at. So the first thing you're going to do is download the update to Adobe Illustrator and make sure that it is updated to 2024. This is not the beta version, this is the actual application itself. Once you get that downloaded, let's go to a new document, and on the right you're going to see a properties panel, and this is where we're going to place our prompt in. Now if you're not seeing the properties panel, we can come up to window and properties to get that back. So what we're going to do, I'm going to type in cat in a business suit, and I'm going to look at right here this button that says generate. But if you notice, they do give us a few prompts to, if you're short on some ideas, they give us a few sample prompts you can take a look at. But I'm going to choose this one right here. And it is quite fast. It'll give us 3 variations. And what's exciting about this is it's vector. So it's very versatile. We can change the colors, and we'll do all sorts of things to this once we get our generations. Okay, so we have 3 to choose from. I can click through them like this. Now just to note, if you're not selected on the generation itself, then you are not able to go through the generations, you can see. So be sure you're selected on the work before you move through. Alright, so looking good. Let me look at this one here. You know, I think I want to generate a whole new batch, so I'm just going to click Generate Beta again, and we'll see another 3 variations. Okay, here they come. Okay, that one looks great. Let's take a look. This one, very nice. Or this one. I'm going to go with this one right here. And I think what we'll start with first, I want to just take a look and move it over to the side here, off the white background, just to see how clean it is. It's really, really good. I can take my white arrow, so the direct selection arrow here, and you can see because it's vector, I can change, I can move, rework any of these paths. I do see a little spot above the ear here that I do want to remove, so I can just delete that. And you can see it's really simple. I can change these colors as well. If I select any, let's see, if I can click on the eyes here, and I can certainly change the color if I wanted to, just like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'll undo that. I am going to keep that away though. I'm going to bring them back to the canvas here, the artboard, and I want to show you something else. So while you're selected on it, there's a bar here, and I can do some recoloring. So if I choose recolor, there is our color wheel here. We can move this around to change those colors, remove these. Or I can go to the generative recolor, which is a feature that had previously been added to Adobe Illustrator. And in here we have some sample prompts, or you can prompt yourself. So if I wanted maybe a pastel color scheme, and generate, it's going to generate a pastel color scheme for me that I can easily just push to my my image. But I could also come over to what was it, the recolor. Sorry, in here, let's get back to, oops, I must have generated again. I wanted to go back to the so let me cancel that. Right here, back to recolor, because I could choose one of their color schemes. So if I wanted this lavender one, we can take a look at that. Yes. All right. Excellent. So one thing I also want to take a look at with you is, what if we wanted text? Now, can this do text? Yes and no. It can do popular words and phrases. That's what I found. So let's say I wanted the words, I'm going to say um, happy birthday so happy birthday in quotations. And maybe I'll say colorful design. And I'm going to generate. let's see if it can do that. All right, it's giving me the circular designs. Let's see how it does. Let's see if it writes it correctly. As I said, I was having a little bit of luck with this. So there, happy birthday. I might just need to fix one part. This one here, didn't get that one. And definitely not that one. I can remove the middle. But this one did fairly well. But again, we have unlimited generations. So just generate again. Let's just see if we can try one more time to see if we can get these words. As I said, it's just kind of a touch and go thing. You can try as many times as you want and see if you can get it. I think one of them is looking good here. Let's find out. Oh, perfect. Happy birthday. Decent design. Just about got it. Maybe just want to put a line through that A. And good. So not bad. Not bad for its first release. Give it a try. Good luck. And yeah, so good luck and give this a try, guys. Have a good day.